Hey everyone, this is Ashish from Developer Hut and welcome to Go for Beginner series. So now next is the integer data type. So the integer data type is basically used to store the whole number which is without the decimal. Okay. So in Go, integer data type has two different categories. So those are the signed integers and the unsigned integers. So basically signed integers can store both positive and negative value. However, the unsigned integer stores only non-negative values. Okay. So now let's see how we can create the signed integer. So in Go, signed integers can be declared with the int keyword, and it can store both positive as well as the negative value. So let's try to create one signed integers. So I will say var, let's say x, which is of type of course int, and I will say 100, which is a positive value. Okay, and I will say var y, which is of int, is equal to, let's say, minus 100. Okay, so this is how we can create the signed integers. So Go has 5 different keywords or 5 different types for the signed integers. Those are int 8, int 16, int 32 and int 64. All these types are different in their sizes as well as the ranges that they holds. Okay, so you can use any of this type as per your programming needs. If you want a bigger number, then you can use int 64 or int 32. If you want a smaller number, then you can use the int 8. Okay, so this is the signed integer. So Go also has a similar 5 keywords or 5 different type for the unsigned integers. Those are uint, uint 8, uint 16, uint 32 and uint 64, and all those are different in their sizes as well as a range of values that they hold. Okay, so this is how the integer data type works in a Go. Now one more very important point here is, so Go also provided the provision to declare the untyped variable, right? So for example, let's say I will say C colon equal to, let's say 7. Okay, or I will say var d equal to, let's say 8. Okay, so what is the data type in this case? So the default data type is always int. Okay, it is not uint or any other unsigned keyword types. Okay, it is always and always int. You can try it out by printing this, but always remember that the default data type for integer is int. Okay, if you do not specify the type, then it will always be a int value. So I hope you understand how to declare the integer variables. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.